Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Your washer door and your Maytag may lock up for various reasons. Today I'm going to show you how you can actually have it unlocked. First of all, the power reset method. Unplug the washer for about 60 seconds, plug it back in. This simple reset often clears electronic lock malfunctions and it can restore it to its normal operation. If this does not work, wait for the auto lock, right? So a lot of these machines have an auto lock feature, and this will involve keeping the washer plugged in for about 20 minutes, and this allows flood mode or incomplete drain cycles to finish, which automatically triggers the door unlock mechanism. Then the use, pause, cancel function. For front-loading models, press the pause cancel button twice and wait up to about 5 minutes. The door should unlock once the cycle completely stops. Then the manual release option. So if electronic methods are failing, locate the manual release tab inside of the top panel, unplug it first, remove the top panel, and gently pull the plastic release tab near the door latch. Now, this may seem obvious, but for safety precautions, make sure that it's always unplugged before attempting the manual release method, and never ever force the door open, because this will damage the lock mechanism. I hope this was helpful.